Hi guys, and welcome back to Avenue 50. Today, this video, long time coming. So this is the third time I've filmed this video. First time, the mic wasn't connected. No audio. The second time, the mic decided to make like some noise the whole time. Annoying. So this is my third time, but at least now I know what I like and dislike about these products. Today, I will be sharing with you the Sand and Sky, Purify and Glow Kit. It comes in this cute pouch that is reusable for any other purpose and can be washed. The kit retails for $89 and contains 3 products. The first product is the Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Enzyme Powder Polish. And this has 2.1 ounces and it's very similar to the Tatcha and I believe the Dermalogica microfoliant. So if you like an exfoliant like that, you'll definitely enjoy this. The second product is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore-fighting Face Mask. This is a traditional clay mask, so I will be applying this right now. It does come with this brush. I've used it this week and I forgot to wash it, so that won't happen. Usually with my clay masks, I tend to mix it up, so I'm just getting a little stick so everything kind of, evenly distributed, so everything evenly distributes. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this, but I kind of want a more active product, and it's a lot easier once you kind of blend everything out to, apply. I'm just using a disposable spoolie, so there's really nothing special to it. My face is clean. I just got out of the shower, I did my hair, and yeah, that's it. I will be using this small brush to apply. I found if you do use your hands, that's fine. I just don't want to dirty my hands. I'm only applying it to certain areas of my face. This is a very effective mask at clearing out your pores, congestion. So I'm not applying it to every section of my face. If your skin does need it, go ahead. But my skin tends to lean on the, I guess you can say, the dry, oily side. So it really is just my T-zone, my nose, my chin. My chin. This does draw out the oils. This helps if you have congestion with whiteheads or blackheads. This time around I did not. I've been using this actively. So since I received this is a PR sample. I've been using this at least once a week. This is a strong mask, so don't overuse it. And it does take 10 to 15 minutes to dry. It is a pinky hue, but once it dries, it turns white. Just so you know, this is an antidote to dull skin. Our cult mask is a magnet for toxins, dirt, and oil. Expect a brighter complexion, reduce appearance of pores, and clears congestion. And quite frankly, it does exactly what it says it does. If you are using this for the first time, I highly recommend you patch test it. Depending on when I wear it, it kind of burns in certain sections, so I don't know what that really means, but it's not a consistent burn, as if, say, I'm having an allergic reaction, but I would definitely test it. Like right now, my nose is burning, and right here. Whereas the first time I did it, it really just burned on one section of my cheek and my chin. So take that with a grain of salt. It does have a tingly sensation, but I would always just patch test it before, or speak to your dermatologist if you have it to see if it's something for you. On that note, I would definitely purchase I guess you can say a refill once this does finish. It does come in a nice glass container. On its own, this does retail for $39. In the kit, you are receiving 1 ounce. Alone, it is 2.1 ounces, and the brush is much bigger. This is a serum / oil. So you can see that it's, the separation. You really do have to shake this up before you use, and just apply it onto your face. I like this product because if you have dry skin, you know that not everything kind of absorbs onto your skin, even if it's meant for dry skin. It kind of just sits there. What I found with this is that when it doesn't cause redness, And two, it really, like, it kind of just is, like, my skin drinks it up. It's actually time to wash this off. So, one moment, please. I'll be back. So, I'm back. This is my face after the mask. Not bad. What I've noticed it helps with sebum, like clogged sebum. And that is, if you're someone who has, they're not whiteheads, it's pretty much just dead skin and oil that just kind of gets, it really does a good job at kind of clearing everything out. So I will perform that mask once a week. Love it. If you've noticed, not that red for it being a clay mask. So the next item is the Australian Emu Apple Enzyme Powder Polish. Probably already mentioned this, but it is very similar to the Dermalogica. It does have a little closure so you don't spill. I clearly forgot to take it off, but we're going to apply this now. And we're going to put the water, which isn't smart to do over my computer. Ooh, barracuda. We're going to add more. That's good. You don't really need that much. I'm just trying to, like, use up the water because I did it wrong. So it's a white powder that turns pink. I'm just gonna, like, do you see how it foams up? That's all you need. I have a pimp on my nose. That's probably from the mask, since it's like right where the bridge of my nose is. I'm really focusing on this section right here because that's my worst. And then just like my nose. My forehead isn't so much congested, it's just dry and red. And that is it. So I'm going to wash this off and then we're going to go on to the next step. So for your information, this is a fruit enzyme scrub. It is powder activated, so once you, or water activated powder, so once you apply the water, then it turns into a different color. Probably shouldn't let it dry. It has antioxidants to soothe skin and combat pollution, reveals a smooth, soothed, glowy complexion. No nasties or harsh abrasions, no worries. Let's see if that's true. Hold on, I'll be back. So I am back. As you can tell, my skin looks clean. It's bright. It doesn't look red. It's kind of gone down. So if you notice, every time I come back, it's not as red. So this is right after the polish. The third product is the Australian Apple Emu Dreamy Glow Drops. So we're going to shake this vigorously. And we're just going to pat it onto the skin. Just so you know, this is an oil serum for deep hydration, long-lasting moisture. Oof. It is a blend of 5 types of hyaluronic acid, which helps skin appear plump and moisture. For radiant glow, it uses Kakadu plum to help brighten the skin. Light hemisphere, I can't pronounce this, helps to soothe and soften the skin, shake it up, and wake up your skin. The redness kind of went away. My face looks glowy and hydrated. Just a run through with the products. You would use this once a week in the evenings. This one would be used 1 to 3 times a week. You can either use it in the morning or daytime. And finally, the hydrating glow. You would also use it 1 to 3 times a week, evening and morning. Just depends on, you know, your preference. Overall, highly satisfied. Definitely repurchasing some of these products. When I place my order, I will also be trying out their Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser, which just released, and it retails for $29. And the image is right here. And this is a pH 5.5 nutrient and mineral rich gel cleanser, which purifies skin deep down, clearing congestion and keeping pores tight. Like a mega magnet for toxins, this cleanser draws out impurities from the inside out to balance oil production. reason why I would be purchasing this. One, pH balance. I'm trying to learn about your pH and your skin pH and how if you throw it all off with your diet or whatever skincare routine you're using, whew, you'll see the difference. Second of all, yes, I have dry skin, but I have oily skin. And so they're two separate monsters. And if this will help me kind of balance everything out, so be it. Like, I'm down. With that being said, thank you so much, Sand and Sky, for sending these products my way. Definitely fell in love with the Australian Pink Clay Mask. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have any questions or if you'd like me to try out any other Sand and Sky products. I'll link down the products down below that I've used, as well as the one I'm considering, which would be the new cleanser. Their products are available at their site at sandandsky.com. This is an Australian brand, but they do sell to the US. And they are also, kicker, on Amazon. And I'll also link that down below. So it is a lot easier to purchase. It's probably, I believe it's Prime, so I feel like if I place my order tonight, I'll get it by Friday. So with that being said, let me know down below. What would you guys like to watch next? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your time. Until next time, bye guys.